Hi there, my name is Meghan Freed and I'm one of the founding attorneys here at Freed Marcroft. I'm here to welcome you and congratulate you on booking your Goals and Planning Conference. And I also want to tell you a little bit about what the GNP conference is, how it came to be, and what you can expect while you're there with us. At Freed Marcroft, we focus our practice entirely on divorce and family law. Because we don't practice any other areas of the law, we are quickly able to identify how to best help people with their divorce or other family law transition. One thing we've found that all of our clients have in common is that they're faced with many important life-changing decisions, regardless of the type of family law matter that our team is helping them with. At your Goals and Planning Conference, our team will guide you through your first real big decision. And to be honest, what we figured out is that this is really all about making decisions. Back before I was a divorce lawyer, I was a person deciding whether to divorce, and at times I felt really stuck. I was stuck in the decisions I had to make, not knowing how to reason through it, sometimes feeling pretty overwhelmed by the uncertainty. So when we opened Freed Marcroft and limited our practice to people doing the same thing that I was doing then, we decided that we would make a study here of how to help people make decisions so that we could do better for our clients. Many of our clients have shared their frustrations with us about how to decide, how to know what's the right decision for them now, down the line, when they're trying to reach an agreement with their spouse, etc. Even if you're already clear that you're ready to move forward, take it from me, you've got a whole pile of decisions ahead of you, and I can tell you from experience, one of them will throw you. That's why here we are invested in figuring this stuff out with you now so that you will not have to struggle the same way down the line. Basically, we wanted to figure out how to give our clients the thing that I myself and so many people have expressed was missing from their divorce. And the Goals and Planning Conference, the thing you're about to do, that's how we do it. At your GNP, you will focus in on the very first step of the healthy decision-making strategy, which is referred to as identify problems and goals. To be honest, it's not so much about the first piece, identify problems. We're all pretty good about identifying our problems. The rub is that humans aren't naturally good at digging deep and identifying their goals on their own, especially when we're under stress, especially when we are dealing with big stuff like you are. It takes practice and we need help with it. And that is the next and biggest part of the GNP. The reason that identifying goals matters so much is because if you move forward without identifying your goals, you may solve your problem the wrong way. You won't have figured out your true priorities, what you really want for your life. And as a result, you may solve your problem in a way that essentially keeps you in a sort of hellish limbo that doesn't go away, or even worse, you may be unable to make a decision at all. We've seen it, I've lived it, it's brutal, and we do not want that for you. So the Goals and Planning Conference is designed for that, to get to the heart of your problem and to get to what your underlying goals are that make your problem a problem, the absence of which would mean that you got your life back. So whether you're trying to decide to make changes to a divorce that's already been finalized, maybe your circumstances have changed, or maybe someone isn't doing something that they're supposed to be doing, at your Goals and Planning Conference, we take the time to get underneath all of that and to identify what your goals really are. And then, if a legal strategy is the right way to solve that problem and to get you there, we seize the opportunity and pave the path. It's also possible that you're considering divorce and that you're going into the Goals and Planning Conference to figure out if getting divorced is the right thing for you. That's absolutely perfect for all of the same reasons. When you come in, we will work through where you are, how you got here, and where you want to be. And a hint, you're going to be asked why a lot, more times than you're probably used to. Full disclosure, it may make you a little bit uncomfortable, and that's totally normal. It means you're getting closer to the truth for you. Your goals are something that only you know, but our subconscious, and this is the human subconscious, this isn't unique to you or to me, human subconscious do a pretty masterful job of masking our true desires and throwing up an effect rather than a cause. At Freed Marcroft, we are committed to helping you clear away that noise and finding the right, true answer for you. At the end of the Goals and Planning Conference, you'll know what your priorities are and in what order. In fact, you'll come out with a tangible, physical list. So look, here's the thing. I can design a great divorce for me, a great relocation for me, a great modification for me. It would be rooted in my experience and my beliefs and my knowledge and what my goals would be if I were you. But I am not you, and neither is any other member of our team here. That's the thing that was missing for me in my divorce, and that's what we don't want missing for our clients. That is the heart of why we developed the Goals and Planning Conference, and we made it our first step with you. Because we want to make sure that we set it up so that we discover your goals for your life, so that if the way to accomplish those goals is through a legal solution, then we can take your priorities list and start building the right legal team for you based upon your goals. And then your legal team takes all of our collective experience with divorce and family law issues, with the law, with all of the available ways to divorce, with strategies, certain courts, certain judges, certain other lawyers, and we sit down with you at your strategy session and we build a divorce for you designed around your goals. I'm so glad that you will be joining us for the Goals and Planning Conference, because it's how we can be the best possible lawyers for you afterwards, beginning when your legal team first digs in with you at your strategy session. So on behalf of all of us here at Freed Marcroft, welcome and thank you.